before you slice into that perfectly cooked chicken. Here's a quick tip. Always let it rest. It doesn't matter if you're roasting or cooking the chicken to shred. Rest time is key. Let the chicken breast sit for at least 5 minutes and roast for 10 to 15 minutes after cooking. This lets the juices redistribute, making every slice juicier and more flavorful. And for a cooked chicken that you plan to shred, give it about 5 minutes to cool down as well. Resting helps the chicken retain moisture, so your shredded pieces won't dry out. So even if you're slicing or shredding, resting your chicken still keeps it juicy, tender, and packed with flavor. Again, rest before you slice or shred. It makes all the difference. Do you rest your chicken before slicing or shredding? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more cooking tips.